endless dark, and I'm standing here alone again. Cold winds tearing through my skin, echoes of the past creeping in. Footsteps washed away by the storm, just like the love that kept me warm. Cold winds tearing through my skin, echoes of the past creeping in. Footsteps washed away by the storm, just like the love that kept me warm. Maybe the storm knows my pain, maybe the clouds scream my name. Every drop is a memory, falling hard and drowning me. It's a heavy rain pouring down, drowning every word, every sound. Can't escape, can't run away, I'm stuck inside this storm today. Thunder's falling, winds are strong, feels like I don't belong. But maybe rain can wash the pain, or will I break beneath its weight? Showers dance on the flashing lights, every tear blends with the night. I scream but no one hears a thing, drowned out by the storm I'm in. Maybe the storm knows my pain, maybe the clouds scream my name. Every drop is a memory, falling hard and drowning me. It's a heavy rain pouring down, drowning every word, every sound. Can't escape, can't run away, I'm stuck inside this storm today. Thunder's falling, winds are strong, feels like I don't belong. But maybe rain can wash the pain, or will I break beneath its weight? Will the sun never break through? Will the storm ever fade? Or am I just lost in the flood, drowning in my own mistakes? But maybe storms don't last too long, maybe I am growing strong. And when the sky clears up again, I'll rise just like the sun. It's a heavy rain pouring down, drowning every word, every sound. Can't escape, can't run away, I'm stuck inside this storm today. Thunder's calling, winds are strong,